You need to hear this if you're a dog lover. Get ready to meet some positively unique pups. First up, the Xoloitzcuintli, or Mexican hairless dog. No fur, no problem, chuckle. This ancient breed dates back to the Aztecs. Next, we've got the Basenji. This African dog doesn't bark, it yodels. Perfect for when quiet is a must, chuckle. Now check out the Bedlington Terrier. Looks like a lamb, bounces like a pup. That curly coat and archback are unmistakable. Moving on to the Finnish Lapphund. Fluffy and friendly. These sturdy dogs were once used for herding reindeer in Finland. Talk about a cool job. And finally, the Lagotto Romagnolo. This Italian cutie is a truffle hunting pro. Plus, its water-resistant and hypoallergenic coat is just icing on the cake. So there you have it. 5 unique dog breeds you probably never knew existed. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. See y'all next time.